Kronshtadt Orion Drone.
The Kronshtadt Orion is a Russian unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Kronshtadt Group. The drone comes in a variety of versions, for both the home and export markets in Russia. The Orion drone is a Russian Kronshtadt-designed medium-altitude, long-duration unmanned aerial system. A pilot on the ground controls the drone, which is outfitted with electro-optical and infrared cameras. While monitoring a given area, the drone can also do reconnaissance. CAB-20 and CAB-50 aerial bombs, as well as UPAB-50 guided gliding aerial bombs, are included in the drone. The drone can carry 4 air-to-surface missiles, and can accelerate to 200 km per hour, while climbing to 7.5 km. It can also operate for up to 24 hours. The drone can carry a 250 kg military payload. The Orion air vehicle can launch a glide bomb, with a range of up to 30 km. After successfully completing numerous combat missions in Syria, the Orion unmanned aircraft system acquired initial operational capability in December 2020. This unmanned combat aerial vehicle looks like America's Predator drone, but its power is reported to be far greater. After which experts have termed Orion as a drone killer machine. Kronshtadt company claims that the Orion are becoming more autonomous, with the introduction of artificial intelligence. Russia's new Orion attack drone was used to destroy a military facility in Ukraine, marking its debut in the active conflict zone. The drone, also known as Inokadets, is seen in video footage provided by the Russian Defense Ministry on March 4, demolishing a Ukrainian Army air command post in Donetsk People's Republic. The Orion E is seen firing a guided missile at a ground object.
Please subscribe.